Raw green coffee beans arrive by the ton, initiating a massive industrial journey that transforms agricultural product into a global staple. Forklifts transport the shipments into the massive processing hub where inventory systems begin tracking the raw material flow. Specialized suction systems extract the beans from shipping containers, creating a continuous feed for the factory's processing lines. Mechanical shakers employ precise vibrations to remove field debris and unwanted organic matter from the green coffee bean supply. High-speed laser sorters identify and eject defective beans, ensuring only the highest quality product reaches the roasting stage. Vertical elevators lift the cleaned beans into massive silos that tower over the factory floor for organized, large-scale storage. The central roasting cycle begins as massive batches of beans are gravity-fed into high-capacity rotating drum roasting machines. Within the roasting chamber, the beans undergo controlled thermal transformation, tumbling constantly as intense heat develops their flavor profile. The roasting phase concludes as the beans transition through chemical changes, turning from raw green to the characteristic dark brown shade. Powerful industrial exhaust systems extract smoke and steam, maintaining air quality while preserving the rich, concentrated aroma of the roast. Master roasters monitor every batch, using manual probes to verify roast consistency and meet strict industrial production quality standards. Once the roasting process is complete, the heated beans are discharged immediately onto an industrial cooling tray to halt the process. Rapid cooling fans and mechanical agitators circulate air through the beans, ensuring they reach the target temperature for further processing. Vacuum conveyors transport the cooled, roasted beans away from the roasting section toward the final grinding and preparation zones. Industrial grinding machines process the roasted beans with precise mechanical force, achieving the exact texture required for the final product. Sophisticated dust collectors filter the air throughout the grinding area, keeping the production environment clean and efficient for staff. Quality control laboratories conduct moisture and texture analysis on the ground coffee to ensure it meets rigorous manufacturing specifications. The refined coffee grounds are funneled into high-speed vertical form fill seal machines for automated, large-scale consumer packaging. Rollers feed industrial-strength plastic film through heated bars, which create the structural foundation of the final retail packaging. Precision weighing scales dispense the exact amount of ground coffee into each bag, maintaining consistency across every individual unit. Automated nitrogen injection systems purge oxygen from the bags, sealing in the freshness of the roasted coffee for long-term storage. The finished bags are cut and sealed hermetically by the high-speed machine, producing a shelf-ready product in seconds. Every single bag passes through an advanced X-ray scanning tunnel to ensure absolute safety and detect any metallic contaminants. Automated rejection systems identify and divert any package that fails to meet the exact weight parameters set by the system. An industrial inkjet unit stamps each package with essential logistics data, including production lot numbers and expiration dates. A final metal detector gate monitors the production line, providing a secondary layer of safety before the bags move forward. Multi-axis robotic arms pick up the finished bags with extreme speed and stack them into retail-ready shipping cases. Automated case sealing machines apply industrial tape to the shipping boxes, readying the product for secure transit across the world. Labeling applicators attach shipping data to the boxes, ensuring each shipment can be tracked throughout the global supply chain. Robotic palletizers organize the boxes into stable, high-density towers, maximizing the space efficiency of every shipment. Industrial rotary wrappers secure the palletized boxes with protective plastic film, safeguarding the product during long-distance transportation. Warehouse forklifts move the finished pallets toward the outbound loading docks for final dispatch to distribution centers. Loading dock crews transfer the palletized coffee into semi-truck trailers, completing the transition from factory floor to transit. The delivery fleet departs the manufacturing site, beginning the distribution process to move product to warehouses and regional centers. Long-haul transport trucks travel across highway systems, connecting the factory's massive production output to widespread consumer markets. Shipments arrive at central distribution hubs, where they are sorted for final delivery to various retail partners across the region. Automated warehouse conveyor systems organize the coffee inventory for optimized storage, awaiting demand from local retail stores. Smaller delivery vehicles are loaded with precise inventory, readying the final consumer product for transport to local shops. Retail store employees stock the shelves with the final coffee product, completing the massive journey from farm to grocery store. A customer selects the coffee bag from the retail shelf, completing the cycle that began with the arrival of raw green beans.